Most of the repair and maintenance troubles may occur in a building due to bad practice in concrete construction. That is, use of building materials which are not tested for quality, poor batching of concrete, improper use of concrete admixtures, bleeding of concrete, segregation in concrete, inadequate curing of concrete, poor compaction of concrete. Out of the aforementioned practices, compaction of concrete generally troubles us more, and it may ultimately result into home repair or home maintenance, which may cost us fortune. So today in this video we will see what is compaction of concrete. Before that, my name is Nadeem, and if you like the videos I make, please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. To make your structure strong and long lasting for its designed life, it is very important that your structure is non-porous and impermeable. Porous concrete can lead to various problems like leakages, corrosions, etc. This can happen if proper compaction is not done during the placing of concrete. We can clearly see in the image that there are so many voids in the concrete. Hence, compaction is a process of molding concrete within the forms and around embedded parts in order to expel the entrapped air from the concrete and to obtain homogeneous dense mass. The amount of air entrapped in the concrete depends upon the workability or stiffness of the mix. Poor compaction results in following problems: poor strength of concrete, which may lower the service life of the house or building; high porosity in concrete, which may lead to leakage in the house or building; honeycombing in concrete, which may also lead to leakage in the house or building; lower the durability of concrete, which may increase the chances of repairs and maintenance of house or building. Theoretically, compaction of concrete is a process adopted by expelling the entrapped air as far as possible from the fresh concrete to achieve the highest possible density for the compacted mass. It simply means that there shouldn't be any void present in concrete. The main purpose of compaction of concrete is to get a dense mass without voids, to get the concrete to surround all reinforcement and to fill all corners. In the process of mixing, transportation and placing of fresh concrete, air bubbles are likely to get entrapped in the concrete. The lower the workability, the higher is the number of air bubbles entrapped. Air bubble occupies between 5 to 20% volume of the total concrete. If the air is not removed fully, it can reduce the bond between the concrete and reinforcement and any other embedded parts, and the structure may lose its strength considerably. Compaction improves the fluidity of concrete, and with the reduction of internal friction, packing of coarse aggregate takes place. A well-compacted concrete is free from loose pockets and air bubbles of entrapped air. Voids reduce the strength of concrete and makes a concrete permeable or porous. In the next video, we will see different methods of compaction of concrete. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Thank you for watching.